Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, and I'm here to share with you some of my tips for creating viral content. Do you actually have viral content? I have over 140,000 followers. Okay, I'm listening. This tip is for clergy in particular, but it really applies to everyone. And that tip is get over yourself. Excuse me? Get over yourself. I know it can be intimidating to start creating public content, but if you're a clergy person, you already are a public figure. You do public speaking on a regular basis. Don't some of them live stream and have their sermons online already? A lot do. Now, if you're particularly worried about people criticizing you, there's a feature where you can turn off the comments on your video. When you go to publish a video, there are options. Turn off duets, turn off stitches. We'll talk about all of those in another video, but turn those off and turn off comments. And just have some fun. And remember, just like preaching, just like any art, it's gonna take some time to learn. You as a clergy person do have a head start as someone whose job probably includes engaging audiences. Even with a head start, I'll admit that some of my early videos are pretty cringy. Oh my gosh, it's so cringy. I have deleted some of the worst of them. But I'm still glad I made them. I'm really glad I put myself out there. It was a great learning experience. And the more content you create, the more you'll get a sense of what works, what you like, and what your audience likes. It may also be useful to know that on TikTok, more than on any other social media platform I've used, people value authenticity over perfection. Good luck. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more tips.